I already raised the car. The end of the car, I put it on axle stands. It's about 8-inch high. And the front one, I'm using the ramps. So for the front one, for now I'm using the ramps. And I already started putting the PB blaster on the crossmember. And on my next step I raise the transmission transfer case just slightly. I use this hydraulic jack. I raised it for about 1/4 inch, so you can see the mount is free from the cross member. So currently all 8 bolts on the cross member is removed. Right, and the next step is going to be completely experimental. I wanted to try to spread it the frame, and I'm using this wooden attachment and the multi-positional bottle jack. And basically the whole idea, I'm gonna be little by little spreading it, the frame, in the hope that it's gonna unseize the cross member itself. So let me put the camera in a different angle. Okay, so right now I'm gonna spread it. I'm gonna keep spreading the frame. And in the process I'm gonna hammer it. In the process I'm gonna use the 4-pound hammer. And not just the hammer, I also gonna use the breaker, the pry bar, the very long one. So let's see. I just wanna Oh my god! Oh my god! So this works. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh tak. Oh tak. I'm very happy. Woo! Woo! Like that. Woo! Like a piece of cake. Woo! Easy peasy. Woo! Oh my god. Tak. Oh my god! Woo! I'm so happy! Woo! I'm very happy! Woo! Just like that! What the? Oh my god! Woo! Now it's gonna be collapse time. Ah, yes, yes. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh. Yes. Yes. Oh. Ura! Okay, regarding the wooden spreader, I built it 28 inches exactly, and for the frame itself, there was one obstacle that I couldn't figure out anything but just to cut the 4-inch groove inside, and the thickness of it is 1/2 inch. So on this size I have these measurements. And this is the top side. This was the top side. On the side where I used the bottle jack, I had to use 4-inch screws, and I used 2 of them, but actually it's better even to use more screws, because from the tension the wood itself, it's changed the angle, so it actually was a crack on the wood, on the wooden joint.